How about one for the Mustang fans? This one's a 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. Ford V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run at the end of the video, and if you stick around to the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Check out the chrome, the bumper up front, polished, bright work around the grille, and hey, how about that chin spoiler? Red exterior with the black vinyl roof, matching black vinyl interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the undersides. Take your time looking through those. Interior, engine bay, trunk, car from every angle. If you click on the link down below the video in the description, that's going to take you right to our website also. You can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see the polished 5-spoke American Racing wheels. As we take a look down this passenger side, you can see panels appear to be pretty straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. You may find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, they're few and far in between, and that paint, again, looks glossy. No major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down this passenger side. Of course, bucket seats. There is an added center console. Some gauges underneath the dash, Alpine AM, FM, CD player. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Start it up, let's hear it run. Vinyl roof also in good shape. I've not noticed any rips or tears. Give you a good look from the rear to the front. There is a little bit of pitting on this rear bumper. Not too bad though. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this in our service department. Said it had a complete dual exhaust. Front to rear. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. Did mention the horn was in op. If you look at the undersides too, I think you'll notice that it has air shocks in the rear and ladder bars, traction bars underneath there. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see this driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior door panel. Nice shape. Seat belts intact front and rear. I've not noticed any rips or tears in the vinyl, and you'll get the pictures on our website of the interior from every angle. You'll be able to see the headliner. Good shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Gauge coming up. Thing's got a nice rumble to it. Gauges, oil pressure working, voltmeter, water temp. That was a cold start. So radio works, wipers work. Here's the gauges are working. Have had those. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Air cleaner indicating it's a 351. And a little rumble to it. Should we check it out? Just look underneath the hood. C4 automatic. Power steering, power brakes. If you'd like to do any decoding of this, the still pictures will have the VIN number as well as the door tag. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Good looking engine bay and clean on the underside of the hood. 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. All those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Phone number is 507-386-1726 and consult with your sales associate. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1968 Ford Mustang in red. We have an automatic shifter right down on the center hump with a console behind it with cup holders added on for functionality. Looking good in red. Black interior. Good acceleration in this car. Very nice sound coming out the tailpipes. Our speedometer's working. The fuel gauge shows a half of a tank. The alternator is right in the middle of the gauge. Down below the dash, we have aftermarket gauges from Auto Gauge, and the volts are showing between 13 and 14. The oil pressure is showing 50 psi. The water temperature is 160 and just still warming up. And the factory oil pressure gauge is here and factory temperature gauge here. They're not hooked up. Nice riding car, very responsive steering and throttle. Black bucket seats in this Mustang. As you may have noticed, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Headliner looking good too. If not the most recognized iconic American car. What is a Mustang? Maybe the second to maybe a 57 Chevy, but I honestly think it might nudge that out for first place recognizability wise. Corners, well, corners pretty flat. There's the kickdown working on the automatic transmission. Plenty of power to have lots of fun in this car. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.